let's learn how to play Deck the Halls on the ukulele in the key of C. And you can follow along right here. I'm also going to use the chord view. So we're going to go over all the chords you need to play this song. We're going to start with the C chord. And you just need the easy chords. C, F, right? C, and then G, and C. And then in the third section, right here, you're going to use G, C, and then the only other challenging chords would be D, which is our 3 fingers on the top 3 strings, 2nd fret, right? A minor, which is an easy chord, and then D7, which I like to do the easy D7 like this. You can do bar chord D7 if you want, and then G7. And that's about it. All of the chords are pretty easy. The song form is A, right? So we do A section, A again, B section, and then the A section again. Pretty easy. You know, you can follow along, sing both courses. And I do a sing-along version of this as well. This is the instructional video, obviously. What I would recommend is just memorize the fa la la chords so you don't have to look at the words. It's really easy. Most of the song is sung over a single chord, like just C. The only tricky part is the B section, and you know, just slow it down to a point where you can play it. Let's go through the whole thing kind of slow, and then I'll send you on your way. So let's start on C. C, 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 F, C, G, C, fa la 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 la, right? F, C, G, C. Pretty much 2 strums each. And then going on, C, 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 F, C, G, C. Now, the B section, Don, Don, we Don. So we start with Don, we now are, and then back to C, D, 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 and now D, we go to D, 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 fa la la, la 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 la. All right, so that's just two strums each. And then on with the rest. And then we tack an extra one of those on the end. Just for fun, because we can. Okay, so that's Deck the Halls. Really popular song. I recommend you learn that one. Most people can sing it, and everybody can do the fa la la part, no matter who they are and where they're going. All right. If you'd like to grab the sheet music, the PDF I just showed you on your screen, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani. You can also download a play-along audio track for free at the same location. If it's the holidays and you would like to participate in the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, you can do that by clicking the link below, find out how to do that. And at the very least, please subscribe before you click away. I do appreciate that. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And practice your ukulele so you can go out and make other people happy and go play music for them. That's really the goal of this channel, is to empower the musicians so you all can go out and bring some joy. In this case, holiday joy, but joy in general, all kinds of joy to all kinds of people. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.